Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rupam Das. I am on behalf of Dr. Rupam's Diabetes and Foot Care Center, which is located at Panbajar, Guwahati, Assam. We'll be discussing something about important aspect of diabetes management and in fact how to manage your sugars and heart health in a much natural way. We'll look into that. And why is it important that we should be worried about the diabetes? Because diabetes, as you know, it's increasing day by day, and currently India, we have around 101 million diabetic population, and also 134 million pre-diabetics, which are going to be diabetic in couple of months. And we are just next to China in aspect of number of cases of diabetes. And not just diabetes is worrisome, because if you have uncontrolled blood sugar and other non-communicable diseases like hypertension, cardiovascular disease, then chances of having complications of diabetes increases, and which is again a huge toll to the country and to the patients also. In this session, we'll try to see how to naturally keep our blood sugars under control and also heart health under control. And what easier way to do that? By yoga. We know that yoga is one of the oldest modality of health practices, which is very popular in India. And in this Modi government, yoga Day has been introduced in the Modi tenure, and it's being celebrated worldwide also. And 21st June is in fact celebrated as the World Yoga Day, and it has immense capability of giving us the edge over controlling the blood pressure, our heart health, and also the blood sugars. In this session, we'll try to understand few poses of yoga, how to do it correctly. In fact, yoga, if done incorrect postures, then definitely we might get injured. So we need to understand of how to do it correctly, and for that we have a very well trained yoga expert with us today. We'll be demonstrating the yoga postures, how to do it correctly, and how it will help us. And we welcome Shweta and Suchita to do the yoga to our viewers, and we'll try to learn how to be doing that in a correct manner. Namaste, and we'll come to the first asana, which is also known as the Tadasana, and popularly known as the mountain pose. It's a very simple yet very strong posture in the yoga, which improves your heart health by improving the circulation, and also it improves your blood sugar also. It relieves stress. So in this asana, by doing this asana, you by way of deep breathing, you improve the oxygenation to the lung, and also the stress comes down, which is helpful in reducing your blood sugar, and the lung circulation improves, and that way the blood circulation to the other parts of the body also improves, which improves the heart health. We'll go to the next asana, which is known as the Vakrasana, or the half spinal twist.
Vakrasana, keep your both hands forward, parallel to the ground. Third, touch your both the thumbs.
Turn your right side very gently, slowly, gently. Focus on your gaze on your right hand, touching your left hand to the shoulder. It is gentle vakra, twisting to the lower back. Inhale very gently come in the center. Again, both the hands parallel to each other, both the thumb touching each other.
We should be careful that we should not over twist to injure the body or the spine, and it's a very powerful and very I'll say simple also in a way, but when done correctly. And we have our yoga expert who is showing us the exercise, how to do it, asana, how to do it. So we should not be worried about that. But in this asana, by doing the half spinal twist, we are stimulating the pancreas to release insulin, which is helpful in controlling the blood sugar, and also it improves the heart health by improving the circulation. It relieves stress. So these asanas, in a way, they work in a way that it reduces the stress and gives a very peaceful mind, and by a peaceful mind definitely will be having the stress hormones less released, so that the blood sugars are well controlled, and it improves the heart health also. But we should keep in mind that we should not overstress the spine, so that we injure our spine, and we should do the same sort of exercise for the other part of the body also, not just twist to one side, but we should twist to the other side also and do it correctly. We'll go into the next asana, Ekapadasana, or one-legged stand pose. In difficulty wise, it's little difficult from the previous asanas, but it's in a way that it improves the core body strength and also improves circulation. And it may look simple, but definitely it's going to improve the pancreatic insulin sensitivity. Heart health improves by virtue of increase in the circulation, and it also gives us a stress buster, in fact, I'll say, and it calms down the mind, and it's a way of balancing yourself. One-legged stand means you are going to balance yourself, so you have to use the whole body core strength to balance yourself, and while doing so, we are definitely improving the heart blood circulation, and heart pumping improves, insulin sensitivity improves, by which we can control the blood sugar, and it reduces the stress to a very I'll say level where you can be at peace in your mind, and definitely you will be healthier than before. Next asana is the Vrikshasana, or the tree pose.
Let's start with Vrikshasana. Right leg, inhalation, keep on the groin of left leg. Now both the hands sidewards, inhalation. Join your both the hands, go behind your ears, focus on one point, turn your palms, exhale. Very gently come down, very gently.
It's a powerhouse of building your core strength, leg stability, balance, and improves your circulation and heart healthier. So in this asana, what you do is you tend to send the energy to the areas and the nutrients to the areas where it is needed the most, and it improves the circulation and makes the heart healthier, and it makes you strong and a powerhouse of asana. Just do it in a correct way, be steady, and do it regularly, and it will improve your heart health. We'll go into a little more relaxed asana, which is called the Vadrasana, or the gracious pose. And in this pose, it's also known as the meditative pose, where we cross-legged legs. The asana will be shown by the yoga expert in a better way, but here we are in a meditative pose, and we tend to make our mind calm. The circulation improves, the breathing, deep slow breathing we have to do, and then we improve the circulation and we calm down our mind, and the stress levels come down. And the stress level, as you know, is one of the bad elements where you increase your blood sugars, increase your blood pressure. It's all sort of affects the body in different ways. So by way of reducing the stress, we definitely tend to improve the heart health, and the it's good in controlling the blood sugar also. Next asana is Paschimottanasana, and it's seated forward bend. While sitting, we need to bend forward. Correct way of doing this posture definitely will be shown by the yoga expert.
Paschimottanasana. Keep your both hands next to your chest. Go back, toe fingers inwards. Inhalation. While exhaling, come forward and try to touch your both the hands to toes. Erect your back, push your chest downwards and chin up, and bend forward as much as possible. Relax.
Inhale, come up very gently. Keep your both hands on the thighs.
It helps improve the circulation in the upper body, improves insulin sensitivity, it improves blood circulation, and it also reduces the stress, which is important to controlling the blood sugar and the blood pressure and improving the heart health. So we need to do the postures correctly so that we get the maximum benefit. We need not do it very fast or very slow. There has to be a pace in doing these postures and asanas, and please look to the demonstration which the yoga expert is giving, and do the asanas correctly to obtain the maximum benefit to your healthy heart and controlled blood sugar. We have learned different yogasanas, different postures, different exercises which help to gain strength, to gain stability, to gain balance, to improve circulation, to improve de-stress ourselves, to regulate our blood sugar. And we come to one simple and concluding yogasana called Bhramari Pranayama, and that's a deep breathing exercise or humming bee breath, and this helps reduce anxiety instantly. If you are practicing this, you will see that instantly your stress level comes down, and it improves circulation, it improves your lung capacity, it improves reduce your blood pressure, which is helpful in reducing your cardiovascular risk and risk of having diabetes or uncontrolled blood sugar. And when done in a correct way and repetitive on a daily basis, definitely it's one of the medicines. I'll not say it's just an yoga or just an exercise, but it's a medicine, and if done correctly and repetitively, definitely it's going to improve your heart health, improve your blood sugar control, de-stress yourself, and you'll be helped to reduce your anxiety, and keep breathing slow and deeply, and definitely you'll see you will have more energy and more healthier life to go around. If you have liked your video and it has helped you reduce your anxiety and get better control of your sugar and hypertension, or it has helped one of your loved ones, definitely you give a like button, hit the like button, and we have more videos coming up to help you in other aspects of your life also. Thank you so much.